This one right here, the package looks like this. Is it bright enough, would you say? No? Maybe I'll hold off then.
Well,
No, yeah, you can see that.
You can see that.
Look. I trusted her judgment. I'm sorry. Although I will not take responsibility for this one. We can all blame Lauren. Sorry, Lauren.
Yeah.
It'll just have a warm tone to it, that's all.
So you guys are getting just a warm tone video, I guess. This is the hidden Disney Mystery Pass. This was supposed to be the hidden Mickeys that were for last year that didn't get out in circulation. So, we don't know what it is. I'm hoping it's something good. Oh my god, Allie, I have a pin for you. Allie's been looking for a Dr. Facilier pin.
Which is part of the mystery pack.
Oh my god! And I got you a pin. Yeah. It's really pretty.
What pack is that?
This is this pack. You're welcome. And then, oh, I got a really cute Timon. That one is so stinking cute.
Is that the Mask series?
That one's really pretty. So now we have this box here. This is the Fantasyland box. The new Fantasyland box. It's got a whole bunch of belt pins. I really want the LeFou pin or the LeFou, Gaston, or the Three Girls.
I'm gonna have to get that.
Let's see.
I feel like I had so many.
You hope I get Gaston?
I want you to get Gaston. But they are.
You guys are hoping for Gaston? I have 2 pins in this. No, you really don't. But LeFou is my babe. I love LeFou. Oh, I got the Beast. This is a really nice pin. I got the Beast and oh, I got Beast and Val. I'm gonna have to get another pack of this because I really want LeFou. That's the only one I want. This will probably be a pin pack that I'll have to buy 40 of to get the one that I want. This one is the Haunted Mansion pack. I of course want the ballerina, Lily and Gracie, or Constance Hatchaway. That's who I want. So let's see. Let's see. Who did I get?
This one.
I got Constance Hatchaway. Oh, I'm getting lucky this round. I'm like, what's happening? I never get this lucky. I always get garbage pins. Trash pins I don't want.
But look, compared to
These packs are really good. Like, honestly, these ones this year. Okay, this is a trader. This is one I did not want.
subtle that.
It's just the Haunted Mansion outside pillar. I mean, I'll probably keep it because it's Haunted Mansion, but... that one's a 3 out of 10, maybe. That's probably a traded. The other one's a keeper.
It's Bella's
This
Jedi.
is the Fantasia 90th anniversary piece pack, and it has a whole bunch on the back there. They're all silhouettes, so you actually, like, it's not a picture.
Yeah.
So, I'm hoping for the brew. That's the one I really want. Or the little mushroom guy, because I love those from Fantasia.
She's got a whole series lined up. And this
Oh,
is gonna
wow. This is a nice pin. This is one of the other ones I wanted. I don't know if you can really see that one. You can still see the detail in it, but it's just one like color. It's not like multicolored. It's a nice pin. Look at that, guys. That's the Fantasia one. That's the horse. This one. Oh, I love this. This is a hippo. It's one of the hippos in the. Yeah.
I really want it.
That's another 10 out of 10 box. This one's good. I got that one mainly because it was limited release, and you know, I collect pins. The last box we got is this Monsters University box. We have Mike Wazowski, Sully, and some like icons. Honestly, this box, if I don't get either Mike or Sully, I'll probably trade these ones. Just because I'm not a huge Monsters University fan, but I do really love Sully.
Once they get to the Brandon's my favorite. I don't see that. Once they get to like the live
I don't like it.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. I got Sully, but I don't like this Sully pin. I don't know, I think it's his face. I would have much rather him like flexing that pin. So let's see the second one. It's a cute pin. And honestly, I think it could go, if I trade it, it'll go to someone's home that really likes Sully. That was hard to open. I got the 2 head pins. This one's cute. This one's Mike. Mike, Wazowski. I really liked those boxes. I'll probably get another one of the Fantasia.
There is a tiger
And the Fantasyland, I think, because I just really like those boxes. And I'm gonna get another one of this pack at some point, just because I just like those a lot. So thanks for joining us. Someone go get these kids. Whose children are these? Whose children are these? Pro tip, great spot for your glasses. Put it on your mask. Pro Disney tip. Need a spot for your glasses, put it on your mask. That wouldn't work? Why not? Why not, I didn't have much footage yesterday because Nick said he left the tripod in the resort. Turns out he didn't. He left it in the backpack and neither of us thought to check. We're heading to Animal Kingdom today.
Yeah, I got feeling you have a problem. I'm just going to be 200 people going to Animal Kingdom today.
I'm okay with that.
What do you say?
I'm not going to complain.
What do you say?
He said, oh, I don't think we're going to have too much of a problem today because he said he doesn't think anyone's really going to Animal Kingdom.
No. I don't think so too. No, everybody's already there.
Or everyone's already there.
Because they are closed so early that you got an early start.
But today we go home. We're not excited to go back to the snow, unfortunately. But we had a good trip. We're going to do some things today. Hopefully I'll vlog a lot of it. And you guys will get to come along.
Cross-legged.
Good morning, everyone. Here we are. We are at Animal Kingdom. I've currently got on the Todd and Copper shirt from Shop Disney, as well as these really cute Sherpa brown ears from Park Hopper Design. We all got our fits on. We're ready to go. Look how handsome he looks. His little hey hey button up. You look good. You're upgrading.
Piece by piece, slowly, slowly.
Slowly but
I'm
surely.
becoming an adult.
You're getting adult vibes. Like, look at this dad outfit with no actual dad credentials.
I ain't wearing sneakers, I'm wearing my slides.
You are. You're wearing your little loafers.
Yeah, that wasn't what I was at. Oh, were you at? I was at. That is a regular board. Oh.
Time for learning with Lauren. Disclaimer, none of this is fact checked.
Well, that's a white ibis. That's a very common invasive species in Florida. But did they purposely put them in the car? No, they're in the what's his name?
It's Launchpad McQuack. We love you, Donald and Daisy. We love you, Launchpad.
I mean, what
DuckTales.
everybody's aware, it's like 700.
Oh, you're gonna get even more tan. Did anybody put on sunscreen? Nope.
No, I'm down for that though. I need a tan. And good morning, how are you? I love these baseball style tees. I love these.
I thought we were really going to do it anyway, but I already checked it on top of it. Whatever.
Mom, this shirt looks so new.
This is a kid's shirt.
Sorry, Mom. According to Lauren, you wear children's clothes. Who's the favorite now?
Well, they have the dog one. Maybe I'll pick some of these up. I really like this pack. This pack is really cute. So I think I'll pick these up. What do you think? Get some mystery boxes? I'm gonna buy them.
Oh, this is a cute man.
Which one? Oh, that one's a cute one. Let me see that. Oh, that's cute. Who's Jonesy? Jonesy!
What is that?
So I just bought some 2-pin packs. What are you doing?
Me? I bought nothing.
You bought nothing? Hi, how are you? Good. So this is the way the pin boards are set up now, which is really cool.
Wait, these are like the Puffles from
the
Club
Puffles,
Penguin. R.I.P.
R.I.P. You waddled into our hearts, but left a flipper-sized imprint.
Oh no! Poor little Franklin. He's like, it makes me sick, but we'll do it anyway.
Our hotel costs $1,000 for the 4 of us.
No! This cast member was yelling at a little crane, and his name is Franklin, because he was trying to eat popcorn, but it ruins his tummy, and he tries to do it anyway, which is really cute.
There's 3 years or 2? 5, 4. Oh, 4.
Talking about the trip.
Pandora's awesome. I'm so excited.
So we are now entering Pandora. I'm so excited. We're gonna go try and hit the flight of passage. So let's get that going.
See it. If you think about it. Because the past few days, it didn't really start getting dark till like later, like 6, 7 o'clock. So pretty much at 5 o'clock, it's...
So we are at Satuli Canteen. Say hi, guys. Hey. Is that the Grim Reaper? We've got our lunch. I got 2 pin packs. They are the mystery pin collection. Oh, the Ace mystery pin pack? I don't know. It doesn't actually have a name on it. But they're really cute. It's got a whole bunch of characters on the back. I'm hoping for any of them except for the Avatar, because I don't care for it. What do you guys think I'll get?
I'm gonna say you're gonna get 2 of the things.
Language.
I think you're gonna get the Avatar and the cat.
Jenny thinks you're gonna get the ugly yellow.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Give me the chicken. Give me yours. I'm gonna try.
What do you think I'm gonna get?
Jenny thinks you're gonna get this one.
That like little guy at the top
The
corner.
cat. What the hell is this?
And then what do you think?
Give me a little piece of lettuce at least.
What do you think I'm gonna get?
I'm gonna Google what they're called. Let me see. I think you're gonna get this guy.
Oh, the little guy in this corner right here. What did you say, Lauren? The Avatar and what? The cat?
Some of those chips.
Well, I'm gonna open this and find out what I get.
It's called a Thanator.
This one's really cute.
I think you're gonna get the Thanator.
I got the Ikron, but I got the like green,
The shiny version. That's
Oh, this is the one I kind of really wanted. Whatever this horse is.
Oh, that's a
that's a
cute. It looks like My Little
It's really cute.
That's called a Megafauna.
And I have a box number 2.
Jesse, it's called a Megafauna.
So what? When they weren't buying the banshees of
Like I said, I think you're gonna get a Thanator. And if we get,
I don't know what this is, but I like him. This is ugly thing.
yes, I was right.
You're right.
He's cute. It's a baby Avatar. Yeah, baby Avatar is cute.
Well, he's cute because he's ugly. He's a 10 out of 10 so far.
Which one did you want?
I'm getting all the ones I want. Oh, this one's really cute too. I'm almost sad I didn't get the thing with the big
Want to try
thing
it
on his head.
Oh, you wanted
These are the pins
you
I
wanted
got.
you wanted a hexapede? They're kind of
I wanted that. I got this one. Got this guy. And this one.
Yeah, you want to
Yeah. That was a good pin box.
Unfortunately, this is the last video from this trip. Until next time, my friends. Remember to like, subscribe, and thank the Phoenicians.